Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites out of the way so updates can run smoothly. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and your iPhone is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This prevents cellular data use. Once done, plug the device into power. Automatic installs typically require a charging state. Also check iOS compatibility in Settings General About, because automatic installs need a supported version. Now move to the App Store settings to enable automatic app updates. Open Settings and tap App Store, where the app update switch lives, flip it on to allow apps to update automatically. Make a decision about cellular. If you leave Use Cellular Data off, large downloads will wait for Wi-Fi. Turn it on only if you accept potential data charges. Once enabled, updates download and install when your phone is charging and connected to Wi-Fi. If you want system apps and purchases to auto-download too, enable automatic downloads for added convenience. To finish, confirm automation works by opening the App Store and tapping your profile to view pending updates. Newly updated apps should no longer appear. If automation misses an update, force a manual update, then restart your iPhone to refresh background processes. Make sure you have enough free storage. Insufficient space stops installs, and verify Wi-Fi strength. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID or reset network settings. Usually one of these steps resolves sync or download failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.